This could be the easiest airdrop that you are ever going to be participating on right here on 2025. So this airdrop is actually called Chaos Lab, and right now guys, they actually raised about $79 million, and to be able to receive or be eligible for the airdrop, you don't need to spend a dime, and all you have to do from here is to simply select or input your email address and submit it, and also connect your wallet. That is simply how you participate on the Chaos Lab airdrop, guys. So this project raised about $79 million, and they are backed by a lot of top founders. And coming over here to their Twitter account, you can see that they are actually a financial intelligence for everyone. And right, guys, we are actually going to be signing up for the early access. All right, so coming over here, guys, to boost our confidence on this airdrop, let's check out the people that are following this project. Okay, so the few people that I'm following that are also following this project that are well trusted is DYDX are following this project. You can see we have here Justin Sun. Who is Justin Sun? Justin Sun is the founder of Tron Coin, okay, or that is our founder of Tron, okay, and a lot of other prominent people right here. So this actually boosts our confidence on this project so that we can trust it and proceed. So right now, guys, to be able to participate on this airdrop, it is very easy, guys, and let me show you what you need to do right now. The first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and copy the link from the video description box. Once you copy the link, you open it up on either your wallet or on your Web3 browser like Mrs. browser, and it's going to be bringing you right here. Once you copy the link and open it up on your browser, it is going to be bringing you right here, guys. So remember, guys, we are heading to 10,000 subscribers. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please kindly do well to like this video you are watching right now, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, because on this channel we bring you guys all about crypto earning, how you can earn on the crypto space for free without having to make any single investment. And right here, guys, on this video we are talking about one of the means to earn for free. Okay, so once you click the link on the video description box, it is going to be bringing you right here, and the first thing you need to do is to simply go ahead and input your email address right here. Okay, immediately you input your email address, then you click on continue. Okay, so that, guys, they are going to be asking you to actually verify yourself, and after a moment this verification is going to be popping up. Then you click on this white icon to actually check it and verify that you are a human. And right now, guys, they are going to be sending a code to your provided email address. So what you need to do is simply go to your email address and copy the code that they are going to be sending to you, and then input it right here. Okay, so remember that this could take a little minute, maybe 5 to 10 minutes to actually arrive. Just be patient until it arrives, then copy the code and paste it right here to proceed immediately. All right, and right now, guys, this is the next thing that's going to be popping up right here. Okay, so after verifying those codes, you need to set up your profile. Okay, so clicking on profile right now, you can see it's going to be showing you all your details right here, and what you need to do is simply click on connect Google. Okay, you click on connect Google to actually link your Google account. All right, and right now, guys, after clicking it, give it a little time to load up, and this is going to be popping up your Google account, asking you to actually verify that you are using this Google account. I will click on it right now, and in just a moment they are going to be asking me to continue. I will click on continue right now, guys, and what I need to do from here is simply wait a little bit until I'm taken back to my profile so that I can proceed with other things. Okay, so then, guys, in a moment our Google is going to be connected. So the next thing is for us to actually link our Twitter account. So I will click on connect right now, and once I click on connect right now, they're going to be asking me to actually authorize the connection of this website and my Twitter account. So right now I will proceed on clicking on authorize app right now, and once I click on authorize app, I'm going to be taken back to the main website, whereby I need to actually proceed to the last thing, which is of course linking our wallet. Okay, so over here right now you can see we have actually connected both our Google account and our wallet, so and our X account rather. So what I need to do from here, simply click on wallet to see if I can be able to link my wallet. So right now, after clicking it, you're going to be seeing this message, link a new wallet. So I will click on it right now, and I need to select the wallet that I have available. I have my MetaMask wallet available. I will click on it. So if you have a different wallet available at your own end, you can connect those wallets. Okay, so right now, guys, I will click on connect right now to actually connect my wallet, and over here, guys, you can see right now this is what we have right here. Let's verify that you are a human, and once this captcha pops up again, you need to click on this box to actually confirm that you are a human. Okay, so now guys, they are going to be asking you to sign a message. You click to sign message right now, and a MetaMask is going to be popping up right now. You can see we have a message right here saying that this network is not available, please update. So right now I will click on select Ethereum network. So from here right now, you click to sign message right now, and over here your MetaMask is going to be popping up. Then you proceed to clicking on confirm. Okay, you confirm this right now to actually confirm that you own authority to the wallet. And right now guys, you are now done. Okay, so you go to your profile right now, you can see that everything is now set up, your wallet is now connected. And from here, what do you do next? What you need to do next from here is to simply wait for the next update, because you have now joined the wait list or early access to say it. Okay, so right now wait for more updates, and do not forget to join our Telegram, because more information concerning this airdrop that we are trying to get from this chaos lab is actually going to be communicated on our Telegram. So make sure that you are on our Telegram using the link on the video description box. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when we post the next update, you will get to know about it. But once you are done doing all I've just mentioned right here on this video, you simply need to cross your leg and wait for the next update when our reward is going to be distributed. So thank you for watching the video guys. I believe you got a value. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and do not forget to wait until I drop the next video that's going to be helping you make more money in this crypto space. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.